Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Lenovo Yoga Tab Plus, and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings or any other app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, like notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And now all we have to do is to tap on this 4 dots icon in the left upper corner to enter the settings. Let's tap on them. Now we have to tap on Add Keyboard. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which you can choose. So you can scroll and find it, or simply enter the name of the language you'd like to apply. So find it, tap on it. Now you can choose the keyboard layout, so just mark it and tap on Done. And as you can see, it will be immediately applied to the list. In my case, I've got more than one language is added. So let me quickly go back to the keyboard because I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. So the most important thing is this globe icon, thanks to which you can change the language. So after tapping on it, you can change the layout. So tap on it as many times as much languages you've got applied. If you want to remove the language and leave only one, just enter the settings again, tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, in the languages of course, and mark the languages which you'd like to remove. So I will remove maybe those, and then tap on the trash bin icon, and as you can see, you've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.